Hi everyone, welcome. This is Caitlin. Yep, this is our product, control valve. If you're interested, please follow me. Packages, VCI anti-rust bags. This part, Shumatt logo. If you want other logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, customize the services. Product code F00VC01053. Application injector model number 0445110076. QR code, other information. Okay, let's open it. Wow! 2 cans of packages. Today, talk about this one. The shipment is like the ice cream, the little ice cream. Good imagination. Yes, good imagination for me. Okay, this is a whole side. This is a whole side, yeah. Okay, actually, we also seal in a separate part. Valve cap with coating and curved letters. Valve roll, different size, different lengths. This one is a little bit the small one. And if you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. 3 tips I want to share with you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Third, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Okay, that's all. Yep. About warranty, 6 months. Yes. If you like it, focus on our YouTube and Facebook account, and remember to contact us. Use the phone or telephone or the WhatsApp, the Facebook, YouTube. Yes, feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.